If you want to know how to start from scratch and make money as a self-employed, get more taxes back, have more source of income and improve your physical body, and invest everything in yourself to improve yourself and make more money, watch this video. I'm gonna share my full experience with you. As I came here from abroad, as a person that wanted a more better life for myself and for my family, I started to work as a self-employed. I got many jobs as a ground worker, as a fixer, steel fixer, as a laborer, like many jobs, small jobs, and it helps me understand how the system works here in England and how I have to structure everything, because I always had in mind how to make more money, how to make more income streams, how the rich people are making money, how I can become rich. And I started as a self-employer, as I said. I started with £100 a day working. That is before taxes. After taxes, it left me with £80 in my pocket per day. And sometimes I got the jobs, sometimes not, and it was tough. And it was a struggle for me, but I kept going, and I never listened to people that are saying to me that it's hard to get a job, it's hard to go there because you have to have a lot of qualification here in England, and I never listened to them. And that is the first thing you have to do. If the people you know maybe try to stop you saying that it's hard, that's many qualification or whatever hard problems you could have along the way, just don't listen to them, go forward and keep solving problems along the way. You have to have in your mind the goal to make as much money as possible to invest in yourself, because if you have more money, you can try more things, test more businesses in less time. That's a very valuable thing. That's the only reason that I have in my mind, like working for someone else. So literally I was keeping going as a different tradesman, working, as I said, as a ground worker, as a fixer, as a laborer, just to keep money coming in. And I found a friend that are working as an electrician for a couple of years, and I say, let's try it. Let's clarify that I have no qualification and I didn't know anything about electricity. So I would say I'll give it a try because there's a possibility to make more money. So I done the basic course that cost me £200 just to get the electrical labor, that card, because you have to have that to get on sites to work. And I got that for £200, and £50 I ordered the card online and I started working. I started doing that a couple of months and understood how everything works. I tried to learn everything fast because I want to make more money. So at that time I was paid £120 a day before taxes, and I paid 20% tax. That's per day. And at the time I understood one very important thing. You have to move fast to get more paid. What do I mean by that? Like you don't have to stay at one job a long period of time. The first thing is just to get knowledge and practice, like a couple of months maximum. You're gonna be moving fast, asking everyone what is that, what's that, how I can connect that and everything. And after you have a basic understanding of a specific work, you can leave that job and find something else. If you want to make more money as a self-employed, you have to change job faster. The first thing you're gonna gain is competence and expertise and experience with different kind of people. And the second, you're gonna get more money. So that's your goal, to make more money, because you have to invest that in yourself. Remember, this is a long journey, so you have to stick with the process. I'm just sharing my real life experience. So continuing with the self-employment, I arrived at the point that I'm managing electrical job. The jobs that I don't know how to do them properly. I haven't listened to anyone that's saying you have to have the gold card, you have to be a qualified electrician. I arrived at the point that I was making £200 a day and I managed a job for at least 2 months. I was doing that just with the electrical labor card that cost me £200 and done it in 10 days. So nothing is impossible, just you have to move forward. Don't listen to anyone, always try to find solutions. Don't stuck your mind when someone is saying to you that you cannot go after this step. You just ask yourself, how I'm gonna do that? while I was doing that, I tried to do my best and improve my body and keeping myself going to the gym. Before telling about the gym, I'm gonna describe really quick how the day in my life looked like. So literally I was sleeping 5 to 6 hours a night. After that, I'm gonna go to work, be at home at 6:30 p.m. and after that going to the gym, and after gym having some time with my wife, with my kid, and after that working on something else. That I was expertise in 2 areas. The first area is like constructions, building something, helping someone to build something in their house, whatever, walls, paint the walls. And on the other side, I was running Facebook ads for other businesses. By the way, if you want to learn how to generate leads and sales, watch these videos, how I generated leads and how I converted that into sales. I was doing like small job for a small project. They could pay me 300 euros a month for running Facebook ads, but here it's not a big money for 1 month. Was making 4K in 1 month, but I was working like 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. I know it's tough, I know it's hard, but when you have a goal in mind, you understand what is the reason that you are doing all this sacrifice. Because if you're just doing that to buy the dumb shit that you want to impress other people, don't do that. It's not gonna improve your life on a long run. Going back to my fitness industry, like all my life I have to do something related to sports. It helps me, keeps my mind sharp and keeps my body in a good physical position that I can do more actions. Please, if you want to support my channel, give a subscribe and a like to this video, because this is gonna help me a lot on my journey, and I'm gonna do my best to give you as much as possible value. Moving to the income streams that you have to aim for is as many as possible, because you are at the level that you have to take as much action as possible. Try to keep a balance between your health, your life, your relationship and making money, because this is gonna keep you going. And I know that even I'm recording this video to improve myself, recording videos to talk freely to the camera. And I know this is a long journey and I'm gonna go through, and I'm gonna enjoy every step of the process because I know where I'm going. That's what I'm saying to you, to make as many income streams as possible. At the moment, I have the self-employer, that is the mainstream. I have the parking area that I'm renting for someone else to park their car. I'm renting one of my room because I'm renting a house, and one room is free and I'm renting it out. I'm making £600 for this room, and I'm making small jobs running some Facebook ads for small businesses. But remember, the most important part is to keep it going, and the other part is to keep track on your income, on your expenses. If you want to know how to manage your money, watch one of my videos and start apply it right now, because this is so important. 80% of people doesn't manage their money and they are living paycheck to paycheck, or even worse, they are getting in debt. This is gonna help me a lot on my YouTube journey. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a like to this video. And I promise to you that I'm gonna share the insights with you, and I'm gonna help you improve your life as well. I hope it was really valuable for you, and sharing my story with you, I hope it could apply in your life and you're gonna implement this and improve your incomes and improve your life. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.